Okay, next, let's open up the outliner and looks like I forgot to rename the sphere. Oh, no matter, I'll just rename it to wood. Okay, now hide the wood sphere and unhide the last sphere. Rename the last sphere ceramic. Create a new viewing material for ceramic. Name it whatever you want. I'm naming my ceramic MTL. Change the diffuse color to white, but not absolute white. I don't know why, but nearly white always looks better than absolute white. Increase the reflection color and reflection glossiness to the highest possible values, and that's pretty much it. You've created a very glossy ceramic / porcelain ball. I never did know the difference between those two, but who cares, right? As long as it looks good. Anyways, this is the kind of material you use for sanitary equipment like bathroom sinks, bathtubs, toilets, and the like. So we have finally come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a like, and I have other Maya videos if you want to check them out. It would be nice if you did. For the next series of videos, we're going to deal with refractive materials like glass and water. I know they can be a bit tricky, but like I said, I got you covered. If you want to watch that video when it comes out, then consider subbing to the channel, or don't. It's your choice. Or is it really?